Alright guys, today we're going to talk about how to make money online just by watching videos. Everyone at one point or another enjoys watching videos, and in this modern era of technology, you will find people scrolling through YouTube whenever they get a chance or going to Netflix to watch a series or a movie. But what if we told you that you could entertain yourself with videos while also getting paid for it? Yes, you can earn money from your videos. Some companies will literally pay you for just watching videos. I know you are now curious to find out how, so make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. Also, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. That being said, let's get down to it.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, 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 money.
The first way is Inbox Dollars. Have you heard of Inbox Dollars? It is a company that pays people to watch online videos and do surveys. It was started back in the year 2000, and since then, it has been getting many positive reviews from its members. People have earned over $59 million from Inbox Dollars. It has a wide range of videos in different categories for you to watch. In addition, before watching a video, you can see how much money you will earn from that video, with the price ranging from a couple cents all the way to a few dollars. There is no limit to the number of videos you can watch or the amount of money you can make by watching them. You might be wondering where they get all this money to pay people for watching videos. Inbox Dollars works with large companies that pay them to advertise their content. A share of the money is then paid to those who watch the videos on their site. The more videos you watch, the more chances you will have to win online scratch-off tickets with cash prizes hidden inside. Payments can be requested via PayPal, gift card selection, or even a check once you've reached the $30 threshold. The more videos you watch, the more money you make. Would you want to be one of those earning through Inbox Dollars? If so, then what are you waiting for? Next on the list, MyPoints. MyPoints is one of the best reward programs that has been in operation since 1996. MyPoints allows you to earn rewards while shopping on top of the voucher discounts. In addition to that, you can also get rewards for participating in surveys, playing games to get extra points, and even watching videos. To earn points on this site, you must watch all the videos in the playlist. The more you watch video playlists, the more points you can get each day. You can earn more than 500 points a day. It all depends on how committed you are. It doesn't sound that hard, does it? Each point has a different value based on the redemption method you choose. One of MyPoints' distinguishing features is its partnership with United Airlines, enabling you to redeem your points for miles on your United Mileage Plus membership. However, if you do not intend to travel anytime soon, the company offers gift cards for more than 70 stores and restaurants, as well as PayPal deposits and Visa prepaid cards for redeeming your points. You may not be able to make a living this way, but it is definitely worth a shot. Next up, we got Swagbucks. Do you have a Swagbucks account? If not, what are you waiting for? It's time for you to create one. Joining Swagbucks is a nice way to earn rewards for watching videos, browsing through websites, and completing online surveys. It was started back in 2004 and has since become extremely popular. It is owned by the same company that owns MyPoints and Inbox Dollars. The Better Business Bureau has given the company an A valuation. There have been thousands of positive comments on the websites. You might be wondering how it works. There are many ways in which you can earn through Swagbucks. All you have to do is buy things at partner stores online, browse the web, answer survey questions, and watch online videos. You will see many types of videos in Swagbucks, but expect to see many short videos like advertisements, news, and viral videos. It is that simple. Swagbucks pays over $434 million and 7,000 gift vouchers to its users every day. I know the question running through your mind is, how do you withdraw the money? You can change your points into cash and withdraw them through PayPal. You can even exchange the money to receive a gift voucher. According to sources, dedicated users have earned more than $100,000. Try your luck. You never know what's in store for you. Moving on to We Are 8. Are you looking for a way to earn money from advertisements? We Are 8 might be just what you're looking for. Like the other apps on this list, We Are 8 is an app that allows you to earn cash by watching videos. However, it differs in that in addition to earning money to add to your bank account, you also have the option of making a charitable contribution to a good cause. After watching advertisements on this platform, you're prompted to answer a few simple questions for a chance to earn between 10 and 20 points per video. When you reach the minimum payment amount of €1 from watching brand video advertisements, you have 3 options for receiving the money. It can be paid into your PayPal account, auto payment to your EE mobile bill, or a donation to a charitable organization of your preference. An additional, rather sweet, and thoughtful benefit is that every time you watch videos on this app, brands make a charitable donation as well. Alright, let's take a look at Prize Rebel. Prize Rebel is a website that pays people for watching videos. This isn't a hard task. I call this free money. The money earned from watching the videos can be transferred to your PayPal account or given to you in the form of a voucher card. While withdrawing cash through PayPal, there is a $5 minimum payout requirement, which is approximately just under €4. There is a difference in minimum payouts between using PayPal and redeeming your points for a voucher card. For instance, you may be able to redeem your points for a $3 Amazon voucher, and this is approximately equivalent of €222. Once you've redeemed your points, you'll receive your cash or gift vouchers within 24 hours. It's not just about watching videos. You can also increase your earnings by participating in paid online surveys and referring friends to join Prize Rebel. Also, don't forget to check out their social media accounts. They post new updates and give people chances to win bonus points. Alright, we're talking about Cashkick. Like other tested and proven apps on this list, Cashkick collaborates with companies that really value feedback from their customers. Even though Cashkick doesn't have an official Better Business Bureau page, it is 100% a legit website that gives you various ways to earn rewards. Users can earn cash rewards for various activities, including watching videos, signing up for services, taking online surveys, downloading and playing games, completing other tasks, and many more. There are different payouts for different activities. Members can choose to cash out their money through PayPal when they have at least $10 in their Cashkick account. You can also refer friends to join Cashkick and earn more rewards. Whenever a friend uses your referral link to sign up for Cashkick and they complete tasks, you'll earn 25% of their total pay. Isn't that amazing? Imagine if you referred 10 of your friends and earned 25% of each of their incomes. How much money will you earn? If you have friends or family members looking for a way to earn some extra cash in their free time, this can be an excellent way to work toward that $10 payout limit. Now we have Nelson. The Nelson Company has been keeping track of what people are listening to. They have been watching for more than 90 years to provide businesses with valuable information about the effectiveness of their content to random people. It is part of the S&P 500 index that conducts market surveys in more than 100 countries globally. The Nelson Company rates content in a variety of ways. They collect data from Nelson families, randomly chosen to represent the large communities. How can you join Nelson? Unfortunately, Nelson is not something that you can sign up for. Nelson families are not chosen voluntarily. But if your family is lucky enough to be selected, you will receive gifts to thank you for your participation. To participate, you will be required to install the Nelson software on your device. This software can be used by both Android and iPhone users. You just have to use the internet and watch online videos like you normally do. It's that simple. There is no requirement to watch specific videos, And while watching these videos, you will be able to earn prizes and sweepstakes data points and help companies improve the quality of their products. Every month, the Nelson Company gives away a prize of $10,000. Let's switch gears and head over to GrabPoints. Have you ever heard of GrabPoints before? A free mobile app enables its users to earn points for participating in tasks like watching videos and answering survey questions. It started back in 2014. Since its commencement, GrabPoints has received a huge number of good reviews on its webpage and Trustpilot from the customers. So, how does it work? All you have to do is create your GrabPoints account, select a channel of your choice, and begin watching videos. The channels that are accessible to you will vary depending on where you live, but still, you can anticipate a diverse selection of channels covering a variety of subjects, including sports and entertainment. You will be shown the number of points you will earn for each video and the number of videos you are supposed to watch to earn rewards. After you get 3,000 points, worth about $3, you can use them to get PayPal cash or gift cards from well-known stores. Additionally, you can earn bonus points for referring new members. It is that simple. So, if you are looking for a way to earn money by watching online videos, you should try GrabPoints. This one is gonna blow your mind. Netflix. If you are interested in a full-time job and have a passion for movies and television, you should take a look at job openings at Netflix. Netflix hires a small number of lucky taggers who help them categorize and organize their content. That means that watching hours of movies and television may be considered part of the job. The company has previously had an opening for anyone who speaks Spanish and is interested in Latin American content. The tasks to be done were watching movies and television content, researching and evaluating them, tagging and categorizing them, and then writing analysis reports. This is an interesting job. I know most of you would enjoy it. And to close our list for today, we're looking at iRazoo. iRazoo is a rewards program established in 2016 and rewards the users for participating in activities such as testing new apps, doing surveys and offers, playing games, and watching videos. It offers 50 channels for you to choose from. Once you have accumulated 3,000 points, you can redeem them to get a $5 gift voucher or pay $5 in your PayPal account. After choosing your reward, you will have a minimum of 30 days to redeem it before it comes due. And there you have it. If you are thinking about starting to earn money from watching videos online, you can try one of these suggestions. Let us know what you think in the comments section below. Oh, and please make sure you leave a like and hit that subscribe button for more interesting videos. Until next time!